Carefully remove bubble wrap packing materials. Drag out cylinder piston rod. Disassemble cylinder retainer plate. Route steel cables according to video sequence. Secure cables ends between locking plate and retainer plate, using cable nuts to fix it, and fix cable retainer plate later. Disassemble top plates. Slide cross beams into columns in right direction. Stand up columns. Insert safety latch bar to proper place. Using previous disassembled nuts to fix top plates. Twist down the two nuts on thread end and retwist them on thread stud with one piece under top plate and one piece up top plate. Pass a through hole on top plate. Fix safety latch bar. Raise up cross beams to engage at first gear rack. Install sub-runway. Be safe. Next is installing main runway. Pay attention to the direction. You can find the cylinder bottom is towards to power unit column. Fix runways and install 4 pieces stop plates using A-set M18 100 bolts, flat washers, spring washers, and nuts. Route the other ends of steel cables through runway and cross beams to top of each column. And fix it on top plates using own nuts. Inspect all steel cable to make sure all of them are at a pulley groove. Pay attention to the video showing. This is very important. Install safety release rod. Pass them across main runway with the handle one at right side. using connecting set to tighten those rods. Twist on 2 pieces anchoring bolts in middle of 2 cross beams using 2 pieces M8 nuts. Insert flexible rod and using 8 pieces SI6T M6 joint bearings, 4 set M630 hex nuts, flat washers, 8 pieces big flat washers, 8 pieces M6 lock nuts, 4 pieces spacers. The safety release rods are installed completely. Confirm all rods are tightened. Install power unit. Use 4 pieces M8 25 hex bolts, 4 pieces D8 flat washers, 4 pieces D8 spring washers, 4 pieces M8 hex nuts, tighten screws. Twist out the cap first. Use 1 piece hydraulic fitting, 1 piece angle fitting. Twist fittings with hand first, then tighten it with wrench. Connect the short hose to main runway. Drag out the hose under main runway to side and connect it to the fitting. Open the junction box on power unit. Connect the wires according to local electrical code. Check steel cables and each parts to make sure all parts are installed properly. Fill the reservoir with A10L AW46 wearable hydraulic oil. Press down lowering handle and safety release handle at same time. To lower lift to bottom height, this step is to facilitate checking column position and verticality. Check column verticality and to see if all columns are at same level. Tap them slightly with hammer until all columns are parallel. Use adjusting washers to adjust the verticality. Drill holes using rotary driller. Tap anchoring bolts in the ground with hammer. Tighten nuts with wrench. Install stop plates. Install them to proper position as per video showing. Install caster kits. Insert handles. Push snap ring inside handle hole. Install approach ramps. Last, don't forget to tighten all screws. Turn on the power and begin debugging. Press up button. The ascending is steady. When lowering, press up button to raise up lift a little. Pull safety release handle to disengage the latch bar. Press down lowering handle at same time. If there is no problem, we can proceed debugging with load. Drive car on runways. Insert stop plates. Press up button to raise lift to working height. Press down lowering handle to make cross beams rest at a safety latch bar. As well for lowering, press up button to raise up lift a little. Pull safety release bar to disengage the latch bar. At the same time, press down the lowering handle. The process is steady and smooth and no problem. Drive car out of lifting area. Now, all installation and debugging are finished completely.